Tunga. Look at guys, that is a cassava. Cassava. Cooking that one. And then, so a lot na video ko. See, that is kasi pangalan ay punuan. Mana yung punuan?
This in the punuan.
Balanghoy. Pag-ibot ko na isa na yun. Na. Keep it like that. And see.
May post niya?